If you are a process engineer or a chemical engineer, you will notice that proper communication is vital to your career. You will discover that your main job is to mentor junior engineers and other operators. In a multidiscipline project, you will be responsible for explaining how the design is compliant with codes and standards and therefore is safe. You are also responsible for affixing your professional stamp on all documents that leave the engineering office. It is, therefore, not a job sitting in the corner and running a simulation to get answers. At times you may find yourself in a position to speak out and put your ideas and concerns and point out mistakes that are not coherent with the project. Being fearless is not to fear failure, but rather to fear not trying. This video is going to provide an important tip for you as an engineer or as a job seeker on a term called psychological safety. So, stick around until the end of this video because there is new stuff here to equip you into being a successful engineer. Are you the type of person who likes to speak up and not be afraid of humiliation or punishment? Not all companies can afford to provide that opportunity for you to speak up. Especially those companies that have a rigid structure between levels. Companies that do allow this opportunity are said to provide psychological safety to their employees. Psychological safety is not being nice, a license to whine, and guarantee your ideas will be applauded and free from conflict. Harvard Business School professor Amy Edmondson defines psychological safety as a belief that one will not be punished or humiliated for speaking up with ideas, questions, concerns, or mistakes. Psychological safety has long been recognized as a critical driver of employee engagement, superior decision-making, healthy team dynamics, and effective organizational execution to mitigate risks. Are you applying for a job? Did you know job descriptions often contain non-neutral language that attracts certain types of applicants and discourages others? For example, using the word competitive has been shown to deter more women than men from applying for a job. The second example of using the word hacker or ninja in job postings implies that a certain type of more aggressive personality is desired. This is leading to the likelihood that the employer may not offer psychological safety to workers who do not adhere to their mental image. An organization that creates psychological safety for all their employees will choose a gender-neutral pronoun such as they. This acknowledges the full spectrum of gender identities, including people who are non-binary. Gina Cox, an organizational psychologist, mentions that trust is a currency to be exchanged between the job seeker and the employer. Being vague is considered power play and a sign of gamesmanship. A candidate should make sure the interviewer offers specific parameters and answers to their questions. This is his or her proof that the company provides psychological safety. While working in the oil sands can come with big paychecks, a recent study from the University of Alberta suggests many workers face significant mental health challenges. Those who sign up for fly-in and fly-out jobs are subject to high stress because they are not available to maintain a family relationship. Companies will have to provide safe, third-party reporting mechanisms for psychological safety issues, including gendered and racialized harassment and bullying. There should be punishment for forms of health and safety violations. Canada is one of the leading countries practicing safe work procedures and policies. I hope you appreciate this crucial exclusive topic for your success in career advancement. This brings us to the close of this presentation. I will see you again soon in the next presentation. Till then, take care and goodbye.